Hello everyone, welcome back to another software developer profile review. My name's David, I'm a software developer with over 20 years of experience. I've also managed international recruitment teams. I want to show you what recruiters see and why they might overlook you, why they might select you, and everything in between. I don't mean for these reviews to be harsh or brutal. They might end up being. I'm trying to give you honest feedback, the feedback that the recruiters won't give you. So I try to wear that recruiter's hat and be as negative and filtering as possible, because what a recruiter is doing when they view your profile is they're trying to think of a reason to close your profile and stop looking at it in favour of looking at others. So spend time on those that are going to be more valuable. So I'll show you why I might close it or what I like and all those sorts of things. If you would like a profile review, please visit crushing.digital. It's over here. And click on this profile review button. There's a little bit of a queue, but I'll get to you as soon as possible. So let's get back to the review. Today we're looking at Lawrence, who described himself as a full stack Node React, and there was some React Native as well. The usual suspects, I think it was Nern sort of stack. So let's go with that. My usual bugbear is the banner. Why not use that space to do something? Confirm the skills you want and why I should be reading this profile. Profile picture's good. The headline, React Native, JavaScript, Node, development. It doesn't read very well, but Node.js developer, React, AWS. So I would lose JavaScript because that's kind of a given. If we're looking at Node, React and React Native, I would unpack the AWS side of it. What tools are you using there? Think about the most commonly requested AWS services for the jobs you are applying. There's a featured post here. Might have a look at that, but we'll see. I'm going to have a look at your activities to see what you talk about. So there's a few bits we could change up here, and I change this headline, add a banner image, get down to the about section. Sorry for the plane that's flying overhead. I have 10 years of experience. In fact, if I refresh this, you'll see what I saw when I first opened it up. Right, so I have 10 years of experience in software development, and over the year I have acquired many software development skills in the following tech stack. So the 10 years of experience is good. This was all really fluffy. I'd say I got 10 years of software development experience because this is the value bit. This is the bit that the recruiters care about. So I would be moving that up and getting rid of the fluffy stuff. But okay, does that read right? React, Node, and some React Native here. Okay, all the clouds. Okay, cool. Senior software engineer. So this should be, a done deal really, because 10 years of experience, we should be flying. So skills: oral communication, interfaces, front-end development, communication, Angular, Python. So, okay, React. So these are the only bits that would matter for the job that we're assuming that you're applying for. And then what are the bullet points? And we have to click see more to open that up. So currently there's software development team lead, database development and APIs. So when I was a developer, I was a developer. We really need to unpack that more. Security penetration tester, unit test on endpoints, system analyst, payment system implementation, system design and implementation. So the way I feel about this is you couldn't be bothered to write what did you build, what did you learn, what was the business benefit, what were the challenges, how did you overcome. You couldn't be bothered to describe your 4 years, so why should I care about them? So let's hope that there's more in the previous stuff. So skills: oral communication, interfaces, front-end development, Angular. Is this just a cut and paste job? It seems very close to a cut and paste job. So, okay, let's look at the one bullet point we've got. Designed and developed various front-end and back-end applications using React, Node and TypeScript. it couldn't be more vague. It's so develop new application features and distributed services that support high-scale application. Helped evolve the front end and the back end. I think you see where I'm going. It's like when I was a developer, I wrote code. I should hope you did. Otherwise, the statement's a lie. But there's no value in this. So currently, we've wasted nearly 5 years, nearly 8 years. There's not much to go on other than I have to trust that company put you to work well, because you may have been hiding, I don't know, done almost nothing, but there's nothing for me to show. The only way to find out is in an interview. Now you're thinking, yeah, exactly, they've got to get me into an interview. I'm like, no, they just skip it and move on. We've got lots of people to look at. Look at this. So the next one, oral communication interfaces, front-end development. It's definitely a cut-paste job. Angular, HTML. In fact, yeah, it's so close, it's unbelievable. So, full stack developer, great. Designed and built mobile applications using React Native. Ensured the performance and quality and responsiveness of each. Built and designed new features. I don't think I need to go through this anymore. It's like you really can't be bothered to tell me what you're doing. So, what was that post about? Are you outsourcing developers? So you're setting up a service. So is this so deep? Is you? Is it? So this is you. So now you're self-employed. Is that right? Or you work for somebody who outsources you? So that confuses me a bit. I don't know. Okay, what do you talk about all day? I'm happy to share. I've got a new certificate. I don't see the value in it. Comparison between Happy and Express. Okay, at least I know that you know enough about them to compare them. I'm not going to read it because I'm a recruiter and I don't really care. So there's no value to me. But okay, you seem to know your Node stuff. Created a custom hook. So I like posts like this. You want me to go and read something. Recruiters won't go and read it. Here's something I'm really proud of. I have to put my code through an AI review. It turns out it's highly optimized and well structured. Post about somebody else. So it's too light. I can't see. I should be able to see the depth of knowledge just like overflowing here, and I'm not seeing it. So I'm not happy about it, but let's go and view your supporting evidence. Show me, let's see, GitHub will probably show me more, or your portfolio or whatever. And I can't get there. Can I get there any other way? Were there any other posts that could get me there? No. So this is what I call the absolute classic of senior developers, because I've got 10 years of experience. You've gone, I've got 10 years of experience, that should get me through. And this is where the phrase, the best developers really get the job. You could be a fantastic developer. I don't know. But you're just going, well, I've got 10 years of experience. I don't know if you were drunk for 10 years. There's no way for me to sell you to somebody else. I just have to go, well, it's got 10 years. But what about the other people that have got 10 years? And they're going to outdo you every time, because this screams a lack of proactivity. And you should have tons and tons and tons of knowledge and experience to unpack here. You don't send me to any further evidence. There's no way for me to find out more. All I can do is email you. And it's like, at the minute, it's not worth my time. As I said, sometimes they can be brutal. I don't mean them to be brutal. I hope it's helped you. I hope it lets you see what others see. If anybody else would like to be brutally ripped apart in a review, just let me know. And I will see you in the next one, guys. Take it easy.